Okay. When it comes down to multimeter reading, the main objective of you is to understand the symbols that are on the multimeter. So despite the design or the brand of the multimeter, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different multimeter. There are certain similarities. There are flip switch, turn switch. Some of them have power button. But the key thing, if you should look on all of these multimeter, you will see symbols. So we have DC voltage, AC voltage. AC voltage, DC voltage. Where's it? Where's the voltage on this one? AC voltage right here. DC voltage right here. AC voltage right here. DC voltage right here. DC voltage right here. Where's AC voltage? I'm seeing DC voltage. Where is the symbol for AC? I'm seeing DC, but I'm not seeing AC. They're telling me only DC voltage alone this meter can measure. DC. I'm not seeing AC on this multimeter. Interested? I'm seeing ohms, cycle. So this multimeter seems like it can only measure DC volt. Interested? And this multimeter seems like it's an automotive dedicated multimeter. I never really woke up on one of these before. I would advise you not to buy this multimeter though. You don't want no multimeter where you can measure DC voltage alone. But the mere fact that it can only measure one type of voltage, we're already established. So the objective of us is to read the multimeter. Alright. When it comes on, let us say which one. No, this one. Alright, good. When it comes down to multimeter now, we always have two leads. I'm going to measure the ohms and I'm going to measure the voltage out of that photovoltaic cell. Black always go in the common hole and this black lead never move. Notice all multimeter have a common port. Common. Since I'm going to measure voltage and ohms, if I should look at this port right here, I'm seeing V. I'm seeing the horseshoes which represent ohms. I'm seeing HZ which represent hertz. I'm seeing this arrow here with a stroke across the arrow. This represents diode. And I'm seeing two strokes, but they don't touch. This represent capacitor. So this is where I would put my probe. Alright now, I am measuring DC voltage. So here is a symbol. So I'm going to turn to DC. And the range now, that solar panel don't produce about 4 voltage, so 3 to 3.4 maximum. So this is okay. But if I want a range that can go up to 99 volts, 1000 DC, 10,000 DC. But I select the smallest range. If you don't know the range that you're measuring, just select the highest range. Simple. Life is much easier. So let us measure this photovoltaic cell panel, or what we call solar panel, and let us see how much voltage it is. Alright, so somebody not gonna shine some light on it. Alright, so let us measure it. Red lead to red part, black lead to black part. Let us see how much voltage this panel is giving us now. Alright, so some insulator has been covered up right here. Alright, let me try again. Alright, I know what is going on. This is unprotected. Alright, I'm getting so. I shine the light on the panel from. Take up the light and shine the light on the panel. Alright, I'm getting. So actually, there's a voltage difference. Take the light off it. Good. So we see that the multimeter is actually measuring the voltage right here. Alright? So this is how you typically measure voltage. Alright, let us look now on this relay now. Right here, which is pin 85 and 86 is a control circuit. Let us put this on ohms. And here is a symbol on ohms. So let us select the ohm symbol. Based on the coil winding right here, I don't think this reaches 1000 because the resistance is extremely low in this relay here. And M mean mega, million. That is too much. So Alright, so this can go up to 99. Remember, kilo mean 1,000. So let us measure the ohms between pin 85 and 86 of the relay and see what we get. 85 and 86. Alright, hold this up. So 85 and 86. Alright. So we are getting 81.5 ohms. Alright, very good. Alright, let us look now. So this is good. Let us look now at this solder iron. This solder iron, we said that this solder iron comprises of a heater element. And one of these lead is a positive and one of these a negative. So what is I mean? I'm going to measure the resistance in the ohms of the heater element of this solder iron, and let us see how much we get. Alright, so the solder iron ohms is actually 400, and that is what now? 21.5 or 22. It's fluctuating. Alright, good. And of course, I missed this part earlier. To ensure that your multimeter is working,